Good afternoon. This is Mr. Innocent Msaki Madlala. I'll be doing a presentation on CDD 711, Educational Management and Policy Studies, Curriculum Leadership, developing a curriculum solution at my college. College program offering that I've identified, it's entrepreneurship and business management curriculum at my college that I've seen as outdated, creating several challenges for our students and graduates. The curriculum itself is more theory driven with little emphasis on practical and digital entrepreneurial skills. This misalignment creates significant gap between what students learn and realities of running a business in today's digital economy. Curriculum itself, it's 19 years of age. It was first introduced in 2007, and from 2007 it was reviewed in 2014. To date, it's still offered with all these challenges that I've just mentioned earlier on. Current lecturer qualification, skills and ability. While lecturers at my campus have strong academical expertise, but they still lack the recent industry exposure, which limits their ability to deliver a practical oriented teaching. So when you look at our lecturers are the ones that are delivering this content, wherein I said it's outdated. But now they were trained on the very same program that is outdated also. So we then say their abilities to teach the new curriculum that is aligned to industry, it requires them to earn more experience. In other words, they need to be taken to industry for exposure so they can see exactly what is happening in the industries. The issues relating to this identified program, curriculum is outdated, its content is outdated, it's more theory driven with less practicals on it. It also lacks digitalization. Our workshops have got equipment that is outdated, which does not match what is happening in the industry, which saying whatever we do there is outdated, is not going to assist our students when they go out. Graduates, when they complete this course, they are less competent into the market because of what transpires in our classes today. Why this issue exists? It exists because of the rapid technology changes that outpace the curriculum updates. In addition to that, limited infrastructure such as outdated workshops and poor internet connectivity restricts the exposure to industry relevant tools. We are currently in the fourth IR, fourth industrial revolution, but our methods of teaching are still the same, are still the ones that we were trained at, which speaks to the legacy programs. Who is affected by this? Students are affected. The lecturers themselves, they still lack digitalization and new methods of teaching whereby they need to apply blended learning in class, of which that is not happening. The college itself and also industry, when they receive students that are not ready. In other words, they still need to incur some expenses training the very same students. Where the issue exists, it exists at a college where I'm at, which is a Nyenyezi, where teaching is taking place on campus, and Uku District Municipality at large is affected by the very same problem. The proposed curriculum solution, curriculum reforms, whereby we need to review our curriculum to address the disconnections that exist in the current EPM. The current content should be carefully designed to respond directly to industry needs, ensuring its relevancy and employability. Professional integration of digital and practical skills, whereby we need to redesign the teaching strategies to blend theory with practice, applying blended learning. This could include introducing practical tasks such as online store using platforms, running social media business campaigns, as well as using digital marketing tools to attract customers. The professional development, continued lecturer development. This should involve enrolling lecturers in short courses on digital marketing and e-commerce. We need also to organize workshops for our lecturers on QCTO. Lecturers can also participate in industry placements where they are going to see exactly what is happening in the industry. They spend time there working alongside with the entrepreneurs to gain first-hand experience. The work integrated learning and industry partnership. Students and lecturers will need some time to be placed into industry so that they'll be able to see what exactly is happening in industry for them to be hands-on. And students, they must be exposed there to see exactly what is happening in the industry for our curriculum to always be aligned with what is happening outside. Entrepreneurship incubation and support. Introduce entrepreneurship hubs on campus to help students turn their ideas into real business. Then the college will establish those campus-based entrepreneurship hubs and mini incubation. This space can provide access to computer, software, mentorship, and small financial incentives for promising business ideas. The college should adopt technology, enable teaching methods to prepare students for digital economy. Lecturers can use online platforms for assignments, lesson preparation, and business simulations to allow the students to collaborate and design marketing content. Assessment reforms, continuous assessment activities can include business plan development, digital skills in the form of digital marketing campaigns, and operations of student-run ventures. Of the 5 solutions that were identified, I've chosen 3 best solutions. First one being the curriculum alignment. Form curriculum review committees at the college that is comprising of students, program managers, as well as industry partners. The committee should map up the existing curriculum against modern entrepreneurial practices and identify gaps such as e-commerce, digital branding, and social media marketing and online customers. The work integrated or learning to form partnerships with industry for placements of students into industry as well as lecturers exposure. Practical workshops to be established within the college, making sure that it contains or it's having the modern technology or modern equipment that matches today's needs. Third part to this, it's professional lecturer development, whereby we do lecturer reskilling so that they possess new approaches to teaching and learning. Enroll our students or enroll our lecturers in short courses on digital marketing, as well as regular training on QCTO programs so that they gain those competencies that are required in our modern days. And lastly, the participation in industry placement by both students and lecturer. This marks the end of my presentation. Thank you.